Hey everybody, Jake here with TrendSpider for our second video of the weekend analysis. And what we see here is QQQ. And the difference between this and SPY is notice how QQQ, this is actually the weekly Keltner channel. So this has really been a perfect area to watch the last two times we have bottomed. And so this has now essentially created this trend line. And this wedge is getting very close to breaking. So if this did break, we could possibly break down to this lower Keltner band here, which is where we have an alert set. So this is a pretty strong candle showing sellers were in control majority of the day, and this will be a very big level to watch if price action holds this area. Now, from a lower indicator standpoint, the MACD is really getting very close to breaking down here. It has not yet, but it is getting close. And from a longer term perspective, we actually are more oversold, if you will, on the MACD than we have been in a very long time. And we actually have not been kind of this deep in the MACD below the zero line in over 5 years. So notice how we have not been this low at all. So we are getting very low here, possibly an area for a reversal. This really cannot go straight down forever, so we'll just have to see what happens. However, if there's a status quo change in the market and this is different than the other times, this could easily be the start of a bigger move down. So what we're watching is this trend line to hold. We've got the longer term support here on the price channel. Then we have the shorter term kind of megaphone support, if you will. So here's kind of our megaphone here. And then this is our longer term support. So these two areas crossing are a very strong area to watch. And so we will definitely be watching to see if this area breaks down or not. From an RSI perspective, notice every time we've been this oversold on the RSI, this has been a bottom in the market. So as I mentioned, the status quo can always be different this time from the last 5 years, especially as technical kind of things change, technical signals become less popular than they were before, and so all of a sudden everyone's like, whoa, this doesn't work anymore, and everyone gets burned. So just a thought, we are oversold, but we are also at a crucial level where we could be breaking down on a longer term scale. So we'll be watching this into next week. Hope everyone has a great weekend and enjoy your Sunday to study up on the stocks you're going to watch into next week, and we will see you next week. Thanks so much.